Top 5 Major Ice Ages. 1. The Huronian Glaciation. The Huronian Glaciation is one of the earliest known ice ages, occurring during the Proterozoic Eon. It lasted from about 2.4 to 2.1 billion years ago and is believed to have been triggered by a significant reduction in atmospheric greenhouse gases. This ice age played a crucial role in shaping the early Earth's climate and marked a period of extensive glaciation. 2. The Cryogenian Glaciation. The Cryogenian period is famous for its extreme glaciations, including the snowball Earth hypothesis, which suggests that the Earth was entirely covered in ice. Spanning from approximately 720 to 635 million years ago, this ice age had profound impacts on the planet's climate and marine life. The Cryogenian glaciation is considered one of the most severe ice ages in Earth's history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. 3. The Ordovician-Silurian Glaciation. The Ordovician-Silurian glaciation occurred during the late Ordovician and early Silurian periods, roughly 450 to 440 million years ago. It was characterized by significant ice sheet expansion over the southern continents and had a considerable impact on marine biodiversity. This ice age is associated with one of the largest mass extinctions in Earth's history. 4. The Kuu Ice Age. The Kuu Ice Age, occurring from about 360 to 260 million years ago, was named after the Kuu Basin in South Africa, where evidence of glaciation was first discovered. This ice age affected the southern supercontinent Gondwana and contributed to the formation of ice sheets in the southern hemisphere. It played a significant role in shaping the climate and ecosystems of the Permian period. 5. The Quaternary Glaciation. The Quaternary Glaciation, beginning around 2.58 million years ago and continuing to the present, includes the Pleistocene and Holocene epochs. This ice age is characterized by repeated glaciations, including the most recent last glacial maximum and significant impacts on global climate, sea levels, and ecosystems. The Quaternary Glaciation has greatly influenced human evolution and the development of civilizations.